It's me. Good morning, we're heading to the gym. I know this is an interesting look, the hat, but listen, I want to preserve my hair for today because I want to wear it down and I don't want to get the ponytail crease. Hello, we're going to the gym, Yeah, let's go to the gym. Okay, let's go. Okay, I couldn't handle the hat, so I had to take it off. I couldn't do it. Not a hat girl. Alright guys, we're back from the gym. I literally have back sweat. I like to wear a sweatshirt when I'm on the bike specifically. The bike and the treadmill anyways, because I just like getting that extra sweat in. All I want to do is shower, but I need to get my protein smoothie in because you have like a 30-minute window. I have been using this Slim and Trim shake. This is from Skinny Mint and it's cupcake flavor. My little smoothie thing down. And then I fill this with some frozen berries. Go berries, go, yeah! I go in with the Slim and Trim shake. I love this because having your little protein shake after your workout is important. I'm starting 2-a-days again, so working out twice a day, I need the extra protein. I do a little bit of milk, almond milk. I prefer water, to be honest, so I just do a little just for like creaminess, and then I fill up the rest with water, and then we just blend it up. Here's the final product. I always like to pour it in another glass. I don't know why. I could drink it out of here, but I just prefer it from a glass, you guys. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. Please don't mind my hair right now, you guys. I will be very honest with you. When it comes to any sort of like protein kind of thing, I don't like dessert flavored things. I always just feel like it tastes really not great. This is delicious. This is so good. I'm obsessed. So like I said, I do this right after the gym because protein shakes are awesome after the gym. It's super food complex. It's clean, grass-fed whey. There's vitamins and minerals in this thing. This is really just delicious. So if you're looking for something that's delicious, a really good protein shake after the gym, I really suggest this. This is from Skinny Mint. I will have links for this below, and I will show you in a bit my other favorite thing from them. It's their green powder. You guys know I'm huge on greens. If I am not in a good mood, if I've had a weird day, if I just haven't been eating well, I make sure to eat a lot of greens, but I also really love green powders because I just find that once I'm drinking my water and eating my greens, I feel like a different human. So I'm gonna finish this, I'm gonna shower, and I'm gonna take you through the rest of my day. Hi guys, so it's actually a few days later. I just got back from the gym. I immediately had to take my sweatshirt off. I am sticky and sweaty right now, but I also wanted to show you another way I do my protein. You can actually have this protein by itself as well, and I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys that. So I'm just gonna take a mason jar and fill this up with water. The thing about this protein is that it gives you enough of the macros and micros that you need for one whole meal. It's incredibly filling. For this, I do 2 scoops. Ready? Here's 1, here's 2. There you go. I'm actually gonna pour a little bit of water over top as well. My tip is to make sure you have the lid on very tight. This is also awesome if you keep this in your car for like after the gym. You just fill something up with water. You can keep this in your back seat or your trunk or something, and just fill it up in the car if you have a busier lifestyle. For me, after the gym, I always go for a smoothie, so it's really important to me to make sure that in that smoothie I'm getting all the nutrients, the protein, the vitamins, the macros, everything that I need to fill me up the way a meal would. I'm throwing in a straw in here. Okay, I'm like chugging this. It is so good. It tastes like a milkshake. I mean, what's better than a nice treat after the gym? I'm just saying. Hello! You guys, I wanted to sit down for a minute and talk to you guys about my health goals for next year because I get a lot of questions about what I do now to stay in shape and stay healthy and all of that. I've kind of had a yo-yo effect where I've done really well and then I've gone off track, you know, just human things. But my big, hi baby, hi sweet girl. Health is very important to me, especially because I have had quite a few family members either have some sort of cancer or disease or something like that. So I want to do all that I can to make sure that I'm always healthy and doing my best. I feel better that way. I have a very sensitive stomach on top of that. So when it comes to my health in 2020, I have 4 like main goals. My first one is to make sure that I'm working out at least 5 days a week. That's really important to me, and on days that I have the time, I want to do 2-a-days. It just gives me that same feeling it did when I was a kid, when I would like ride my bike all day long and be outside and climbing trees, and you know, you're just so active. I love that feeling because then I go to bed at night and I'm just like, oh, that felt so good to just move my body and just be active. I feel like as we get older, sometimes we lose that, and I don't ever want to lose that feeling because I love it so much. My next thing is to eat cleaner. I already eat about, right now I eat probably like 80% vegan, and then I have like my cheat meals, I have dairy now and then, I eat sushi, whatever. I want to clean that up a bit and make it a little more like 90-10 just because I feel better that way. Oh my gosh, my next one is Sober 2020. I am not going to drink for a year, and I am so beyond excited. You guys have no idea. I don't know what it is about drinking the older I get. First of all, I've always had kind of a weird relationship with alcohol in general, but the older that I get, my hangovers are so bad. They are so brutal. I can't even talk about them. They're horrendous. They're awful. It's just not worth it to me. Like, I would rather sit with my friends and let them drink, and I just get to be present and there, and I'll eat snacks instead. So honestly, good enough for me. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to just cut that out of my life completely and just see how I feel, see how it changes anything, and just kind of see what happens. My very last one is I want to start learning how to meditate. I feel like mental health lines up with your physical health, and I think it's so important to take the time to sit and relax and be with your own thoughts, and I really love that. I try to do that now, but I think I need to do like one of the guided meditations or something, because I can sit and do some deep breaths and be quiet for a little bit, but then my mind starts like, but now, you guys, I'm getting hungry and I want to have my green smoothie with like a salad or something. I'm feeling like a veggie girl right now, so let's go get some foods. Oh, also, how cute is this workout? I put on another workout outfit because I know that I'm gonna go again later today. Today will be a two-a-days for me. Maybe I'll bring you along. If I know that I have two-a-days or I have time to do a two-a-days and I don't want to be lazy about it, I will purposely put on just activewear, because then I'm like, okay, now I have no excuse because it's on my body. Go move your body again, and then I'm always so grateful for it. So you guys, I've actually talked about this on my channel before, months and months ago. This is one of my favorite products when it comes to any sort of like health and wellness, powders, things like that. I love greens. I talked about this earlier today, but this is the Green Cleansing Elixir from Skinny Mint, and this is a newer formula. It's good for metabolism, for natural body cleansing, pure plant-based superfoods. We love that. See, it's supporting my little veganism that I'm trying to do again. How I like to have this is I like to just blend it with some bananas. I have so much banana on deck at all time. I don't even know how people live without bananas. They're just like the greatest thing of all time. There's 22 superfoods in this, has active ingredients. I just do a scoop. Voila. There's also no artificial sweeteners in here, which I really, really like. So in this, there's apple, matcha, cranberry, spirulina, acai, barley, chlorella, broccoli, spinach, kale, beetroot, alfalfa. There's literally so many ingredients in here, and they're all just beautiful and natural and like grown from the earth, and I appreciate that. Here we go. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh my God, the more greens, the better. I swear, greens make my world spin round. If you are someone that's like too busy and just on the go and you need something quick but you want something healthy, this is my go-to for sure. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching. Cheers. Seriously though, you guys, if you want to try this powder, the protein powder, anything from Skinny Mint, I will have links and everything for you down in the description box below. Now I'm going to finish drinking this. I'm gonna start editing this video. I have another video to edit, and then I'm gonna take you through a healthy dinner tonight and my second round at the gym. All right, you guys, sorry it's kind of dark in here. There's not a ton of lighting in my place, but it is so cold outside that I don't want to walk to the gym. So we're gonna do some bands instead. I'm still getting something done. I don't know what you can see here, but, okay. These different bands that I use, these are from Tone It Up. And today, I think we're gonna do the medium band. You can literally see all the dog hair. The dog hair from you, girl. It's all over my legs. From you. You guys, I hate filming myself work out because I don't want someone to tell me I'm doing something wrong. I forgot to film this, but I just made kale, spinach, brown rice, black beans, tomatoes, and I sprinkled it with lemon juice. Well, there's a lot of lemon juice in here. I love lemon so much. Cayenne pepper and sea salt. It doesn't sound super flavorful, but trust me, this is banging. So good. I have my dinner in my tea. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you would like to see other like health or lifestyle related videos, let me know because I would love to do more. Again, go ahead, check out Skinny Mint. I love them. My dinner was so delicious and so filling, I couldn't finish it all. You can get so much goodies from veggies. I know, shocking. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I love you. Stay healthy, stay active, move your body. Mwah! I'll talk to you soon.